My name is Tim Flottam. I've been camping since I was a child with my parents up in the northern states, up in Wisconsin. But now that I come down here, I wanted to share the experience with my family. I heard about NRVTA. I was watching videos one day. I saw the founder, Cooper. He was stating how there's only so many parks in the United States, and this is how many people own RVs. And then a resounding number is way smaller as the technicians that are able to service those RVs. I knew based on my experiences with my own camper, just having it out a month and losing that dependability and not knowing exactly what was going on with my unit, I wanted to be able to show the family that I still got this. Even though RVing is new to me, I can understand it better, so that's why I chose to come to this school. It has the best curriculum. The instructors are on point. They keep you engaged, laughing. There's always time for breaks. It's just a very relaxed environment, but there's a lot of great information out there. If you want to learn how to work on your own RV, your own rig, I suggest you come down to NRVTA. Week 1 fundamentals will give you everything you need to be confident to work on your own unit as well as go on. If you want to be a service technician, it's been a great experience here. I highly recommend NRVTA.